The village of Spencer and the community is excited for this announcement. We will officially have a grocery store on Wednesday, February 21st, as Great Lakes Fresh Market reopens at 9 a.m. We're here at the location going to meet with Andy Savikis and take a look inside the store and see what's new, what's coming, and what's going to make this a great addition to the community of Spencer. Join me as we head in.
I'm Andy Savikis. I'm standing here at the future home of Great Lakes Fresh Market here in Spencer. Our opening date is Wednesday, February 21st, a ribbon cutting at 9 a.m. Yes, we welcome you to Great Lakes Foods. We've done many changes in the store. One of the main things that we're bringing in is a small hardware section, as Spencer community is without a hardware store. We've also added a couple of meat bunkers in to expand our meat product here. We also brought in a larger liquor department. We expanded on that as well. Great Lakes Fresh Market is a concept started with the Great Lakes wholesales out of Menominee, Michigan. They are going into the retail side. They're a supplier such as many other suppliers as Super Value. They are smaller scale, and what they're doing is getting into the market now in the retail division. We are their 9th retail store. 2011, the store closed when it was a Spencer Super Value. Burnsett's Market took it over in 2012, opened it, had it for 3 years. They went ahead and sold it to Gordy's Market in 2015. Gordy's in 2017 closed it on August 23rd. And it's been closed ever since. I came along and stepped in to get the store back and reopen again. Great Lakes heard about my doings here and decided to team up with me and get the store open. Our hours of operation here are going to be 7 till 9, 7 days a week. What we're really excited about is our format, the way we change things in the store. We also added a coffee bar and a floral department as well. The first week, starting with grand opening, we'll have the ribbon cutting, we'll have a cake for our guests. We'll also be doing demos throughout the store. We're looking for part-time help if anybody's interested in coming to joining a team that's dedicated to serving the Spencer community. Well, we're very excited to come back to Spencer. We are very excited for the Spencer community to be a part of it again.
Well, there you have it, everybody. We have just had an opportunity to see inside the store here in Spencer itself. I'm excited. I hope you're excited. There's a lot of great things that are going to take place here. This is Brandon Boendorfer from OnFocus, and thanks for watching.